New Puppy Ralph by Eleanor McLeod. We've got a little puppy who's new to our family. His fur is soft and golden, and he loves to play with me. He likes to chew all sorts of things. He's eaten all the plants. He would have had Mom's shoes, just given half a chance. We take him out for short walks because his legs are still quite small. He gets a treat from Dad if he brings back the ball. We've called our lovely puppy Ralph. We will grow up together. I'll care for him, he'll care for me, and we'll be friends forever.